Hey, it's Dinero. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and here is a tutorial on this rubber band ankle box braids. My hair is freshly relaxed, so I comb to detangle and I go in sectioning my hair into parts. I did that off camera with two adjacent mirrors, and I'll be showing you what I did to each parted section. I go in with my leave-in conditioner. I apply it to the roots of my hair generously, massage it, then I add my hair wax just a little bit to give my hair more hold and shine. I massage and I comb it out with a rat tail comb. For the rubber band method, I use regular rubber bands that I got from my local beauty store. I wrap it around my hair as many times as possible, but not too much that my hair is too tight, just enough for it to have a good and strong hold. I repeat the process for the next parted section of my hair. I apply leave-in conditioner to the roots of my hair, and then I apply hair wax. I massage, comb to detangle, and then I put it in the rubber band. The reason for the leave-in conditioner is so that my hair remains moisturized and it doesn't break during the process of wearing this hair, because the hair wax makes the hair a little bit strong because of its holding effect. I'll be making a follow-up video on how to part your hair for braids, but this is how your part should look: clean, straight and neat, so that the beauty of this style can be clearly seen. I used a pack of Brazilian wool, a crochet needle. The pack normally comes 12 pieces, so I like to measure per piece, starting from the bottom. I don't cut all at once because the higher you go, the more extension you will need to meet up with the one at the bottom. I use 24 strands per braid and 4 of those strands to create the ankle, which I do by using the crochet needle through the hair under the rubber band, where I pass 2 strands of Brazilian wool through the hair, and then I take the other 2 strands and pass it through the hair in a cross section form, so that it covers the rubber band and also gives the hair a hold like it's attached to the hair. I use the remaining 20 strands of Brazilian wool to braid the hair by creating the 3 legs for my braiding. I do the same thing on my hair, and I braid as tight as I normally would on my hair. Then I take 1 strand which I use to create the wrap. I wrap my hair twice under the braid, which is both sufficient enough to cover the rubber band completely and small enough as to not be seen by the eyes, because I braid it into the braid. Try as much as possible to detangle the hair as you go, because Brazilian wool tangles a lot. Then I begin to braid tight braids, so that my hair doesn't unravel and I don't have flyaways or hair sticking out. I make the braids very tight till I get to the point where my natural hair length stops. On getting to where my natural hair length stop, I alternate my fingers to create loose braids. I try to braid as loose as possible because of the look I'm actually going for. So I braid loose braids till I get to where the hair should stop. I'll be using the colored version of the rubber bands. I cut the ends and then I wrap it around the hair just to give it some color. I repeat the process for each parted section of my hair. Guys, we're down to the last parted section of my hair, and I want to repeat the whole process. I take my crochet needle and I crochet 4 strands into the hair beneath the rubber band to create the anchor for my braids, so that my braids are strong and they remain on the hair. It doesn't unravel, it doesn't pull out, all of those things, and it remains rooted to the hair. After I have crocheted the 4 strands into the hair, I then take the remaining 20 pieces or strands of my braiding hair, and I create my braiding pattern by creating the 3 legs for my braids, and then I braid as tight as I normally would on my hair. Try to detangle as you go, because Brazilian wool tangles a lot, as you can see. So I try to detangle as I go so that it's easy for me to braid and I don't lose my hold. Then I take 1 strand of the braiding hair and I create the wrap by going around my hair twice. Guys, twice is sufficient enough to cover the rubber band, and also small enough as to not be seen. I cannot overemphasize this part of this tutorial because that is the essence of this hair. You want it to look like a normal braid, and I try as much as possible to braid tight braids and tuck my hair in so that it doesn't unravel. I start making loose braids when I pass the point where my natural hair length stops. I try to braid as loose as possible by alternating my fingers so there's a little bit of release on the hair. This helps the hair to flow and fall on its own. I secure the braids by tying the ends, creating a little knot at the end of the hair. Then I take my scissors and then I cut the little hair sticking out. I cut the ends and then I wrap it with the color rubber band to further secure the ends so it doesn't lose. I won't be burning this style because that destroys your clothes. I take my scissors and I trim the flyaways, the little hairs. If you measure your hair correctly, you won't have so much little hair sticking out. It will just be nice and easy. Guys, check out this hair. You can leave it like this. It's beautiful. It speaks for itself. It's not heavy, it's neat. Guys, this hair is not as heavy as it looks. It's light, like you would enjoy wearing this style. But just to add a little more flair, I go in with some yarn, decorative yarn, and then I put it at different portions of the hair just to, give it some color and life. The names of the products I used in creating this style will be in the description box below. You guys should comment your thoughts on this style. If you want to see me do other things, if some things you noted, guys, just comment in the comment section below. I was actually going for a more colorful style, so I took the color rubber band and I created a little bit of color pattern just to add a little more flair to the hair. Guys, I enjoyed wearing this hair as much as I enjoyed creating it. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, like and subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.